Hi guys, welcome to the Print on Demand Secrets by the Print Haven. I am your coach, Enyola Lakija, and of course in this video we are now in module 2 of the course. In the previous module, I remember I taught you guys how to come up with your name, how to choose your niche, and how to get your web hosting and your domain name set up for success in the print on demand industry. So in this course, what I'm now going to be doing is showing you in this module how to pick the right products to sell on your store. So right now I have a bunch of products in front of me, and all these products are from the Print Haven. Yes, it is a little bit unfair. I mean, we're kind of the host of the course, right? So it's only right that we recommend our products. But however, I'm going to be showing you if you want to go international with your web store, because if you have a website, you're definitely going to get international customers if you please. So I'm going to be showing you other places like Printify and Printful and how you can source for your products from them as well. But I'm just going to first start off with us here, right here at the Print Haven, and what we provide. So the first product that I'm going to be showing you guys right now is the headphones, personalized headphones. Right? So like I told you in the previous module, gadgets are the way to go for me, right? The reason being that these gadgets are things that people use in their everyday life, and they want it, you know, a little bit personal to them. And so we're going to be using gadgets. The reason why I always tell you guys, especially if you're in Nigeria, to pick gadgets is because right here, gadgets, we use them every day in our day-to-day life, and we need something much more personal to us. So for instance, your USB cable, you know, your power bank, you know, the headphones, these are stuff that we use basically every day, and they need a form of printing, which is the value that you're going to be adding on these products. And once you can give that value, you can definitely make money with print on demand. So if you're going to be ordering stuff from Print Haven, here are the, you know, top products that I highly recommend that you can start picking in order to start selling online for your print on demand store. So here is the headphones. I'm just going to open it up for you guys to see. These headphones are personalized, as you guys can see right here. I don't know if they can see that. Yeah, it's personalized right here. And these headphones, they also have that LED light as well, as you can see here. The reason why I believe this LED light does so well in the Nigerian market is because generally, I hate to say this, but we actually don't have a lot of power, you know. Light might be an issue, so I guess people are just naturally drawn towards, you know, products, gadgets that have light in it. So LED lights, headphones, they will sell very well. I know, because I've created an actual funnel for this particular product, and I have sold it online before. So I highly recommend this one. That's number one. The second one I'll highly recommend is the smart wireless Bluetooth speaker. The reason why this is good is because Nigerians love movies. They watch a lot of movies, from Netflix to Amazon Prime Video to whatever they are watching these days, right? They love movies, and it's going to be real good when you have like an ultimate speaker experience. As you can see, there's a speaker here, and you can also see another speaker here. These like stereo speakers. I'm just going to switch it on. And when I switch it on, you can see it also has the light up right here as well, the LED right there as well, and has places for you to charge it, and it's just very beautiful. So I'm just going to put my phone on it. As you can see right here, if you put your phone on it, you'll be able to watch your Netflix easily. And definitely, if you want to charge it as well, when you plug it into charge, you'll be able to charge your phone wirelessly here once you place it on it, right? But I'm not going to take you guys through all of that right now. You should buy the product and try it out yourself. It's actually a very good product. It lasts very, very long, at least 8 hours of you using your speakers to watch Netflix and chill. So yeah, this is a very good product without charge. So 8 hours without charge. The next product, which I'm going to be showing you guys, is the power bank. I believe this is the one we, you know, checked out the last time, the LED power bank. As you can see here as well, this one too also lights up when you switch it on right here. also has wireless charging right here. The reason why I love the Print Haven product specifically is because they already know the Nigerian market, right? And the Nigerian market, this is what they love. They're going to buy these power banks, they're going to buy these wireless Bluetooth speakers, because this is in their community, like this is what they want, this is what they want to have, this is what they want to buy. So you're making the right decision if you're picking any of these products that I'm showing you guys right now to start your own print on demand store. And as you can see, this also comes with a light, has places to charge here. But let's just be done with that and move to the next product. The next product is very affordable. The most affordable product on this table right here is a USB cable. Right here, as you can see, it also lights up, but I don't want to start plugging it and doing all of that. It comes with 3 multi cables. A lot of Nigerians, they have 1 phone, 2 phones. Most people have 2 phones, 3 phones, maybe a small touchlight phone and like a normal Android or iPhone. So if you have any of those phones, you can actually charge 3 of your major devices here. For those who have AirPods too, they're going to really love this particular product, and this product is definitely going to sell online. I'm going to teach you exactly how to make sales with them online in this course. So the print on demand secrets, this is an art frame. So these art frames are very special. They come with augmented reality. The designer of this art frame is one of our designers here at the Print Haven, and we're able to come up with something magical. Augmented reality works in a space whereby when you put your phone to it, you're going to see this design actually move and all. I wish I could show you, but you guys check out some of our YouTube videos. You should definitely see something like this right there. But this is a really wonderful product. The reason why is because here in Nigeria, they haven't really heard about augmented reality, and internationally, augmented reality is actually relatively new to the space. So a lot of people want to put this in their homes, they want to hang it on their walls and beautify their homes, right? So this is actually going to be a great product for you to sell. And finally, I'm going to be showing you guys the rose gold package. Now, the reason why this rose gold package is special is because all the items in it are rose gold. Now, if you were to sell each individual item in this box right now, if you were to sell each and every one of those items, you probably not make as much money as you will if you're selling them as a group. So these are the things you need to look at, and these are the things I'm going to be teaching you more as we dive into the course, right? So this rose gold package has a personalized bottle. As you can see, it's a personalized bottle here, and because this is a personalized bottle, you can definitely not sell it to anyone aside from the person's name that is already on it. Obviously, the glass comes personalized as well. Covering of the box comes personalized. Also has a hairbrush. You could sell this hairbrush alone as well. You can sell it like as a standalone product, but it's best if it is together, if it's grouped together, because then you make more average order value, right? I'm going to be teaching you all of this in the course. It comes with a mirror as well. I think there is a pen here somewhere. Yeah, this is a pen as well. This is a pen here as well. And you also have a nice rose gold journal here as well, also personalized with a nice little message, and it's wonderful. It creates a wonderful nice box and packaged in a wooden box. When you gift this to someone, they're really going to appreciate you. So these are the kind of things you want to tell your customers, that hey, you know what, if you gift someone this package, they're going to love you forever, they're going to pay attention to you and whatnot. So now that brings us to the top products that you can actually get, source for in Print Haven and start selling right now on your print on demand niche. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get and source for your products from either Printify or Printful, which are also print on demand service providers, but they are more international and they have a widespread in the United States, in the United Kingdom, in Canada, and help you reach more customers, right? So if you want to sell here in Nigeria, check out any of these products that I've shown you right here, right? And if you want to sell it much more internationally, you're going to check out the next video. So Until the next video, I'll see you. Bye-bye.